Hi, this is a quick tutorial on an APA style cover page. All right, the first thing I like to do is I go to the View tab and I turn on what's called Ruler here. You notice that puts a ruler across the top and down the side for me. You'll see where that comes in handy in a second. All right, so with a front page, we want 12-point font, double spaced and centered. The whole key is you go down about a third of the page, and that's where the ruler comes in handy. So this is about 3 over here. All right, so what's included in of course is my really great title. You notice I put it in all the words in caps. If you forget to do that from the home page, there's a little button here where you can go capitalize each word. But for now, this is fine. I also like the Times New Roman font. It's just the way I was taught. All right, so that's 12 point. The next thing is your name. Third is your affiliation. We're at Vermont State University. And then comes the optional information. Typically what you do in a undergrad course is the course number and name. Like this course is BUS 1210 Business Software. All right, just as an example. Next, you put the instructor's name. I'm Professor Dansereau, so I'll put that down. And the due date, we'll just make it today, 2025. All right. So the next thing I really want to do is center this. So I just select all. I go up to my paragraphs with the justification. Right now it's left justified. I want to do it center justified. So boom, there's my title. There's two other things that I like to do, or need to do actually, is in strict APA, probably not an undergrad, you need to put the title up in the header. You could go insert header. I find it much easier if you just double click in the header, and you see my cursor is up there right now. The other difference, if you're going strict APA, is when it's up in the header, it's all capital letters. In this one, I want to left justify. Another optional thing, which you probably won't run into in undergrad work, is sometimes there's an abstract, and that would go here on the page, and you just do an abstract. But again, most of the time in undergrad work, that's not part of it, so I'm just letting you know in case you go on for grad school. The last thing I like to do is I go to the Insert tab and do a page break to bring me to the body. That way, if anything happens, I don't have to worry about my title page moving around. All right, that's it for the title page. Thanks for watching.